Barking is part of what dogs do. They must enjoy it. At least many dogs look like they have fun making noise. But dog barking behavior is a challenge to your sanity when it just goes on and on without end. It may be fun to your dog, but it's not to you. That uncontrolled noise must be stopped. Consider these 3 tips for changing your pet's behavior. Number 1. Look for a cause. Dog barking control starts best with a good understanding of why your dog barks so much. At least you need a guess. Please take the time to closely observe when the barking happens and where you are and where the dog is. Maybe you need some input from neighbors or friends too. It could be most of the racket is when you aren't home. Boredom, isolation, lack of exercise are all common causes of too much noise. Just with minor changes of routine, you may be able to help your dog and stop some of the commotion. Number 2. What about you? Have you trained your dog to bark? Not on purpose, I know. If your dog starts barking, do you go outside and holler? That may be a little interaction that your dog craves. Is it bark and you open the door? Are you rewarding the dog bark behavior, at least in the mind of your dog? Try to see your own behavior as your dog would. Hard, isn't it? Actually, maybe some of us are better at thinking like dogs than others. Number 3. What about a tool? An anti-bark collar might help too. These collars are just tools. Don't skip the hard part of trying to understand the barking and go right to the tool. Actually, some dogs become more neurotic and more prone to crazy barking from using barking collars. Especially a dog that suffers from isolation may act even nuttier when dog barking collars are used. Be careful when choosing a collar, but sometimes they can help with training. Dog barking behavior can be improved with work. Remember the importance of observation, and with patience you can regain some peace and quiet in your life. Plus, your dog will be happier and more contented too. If you enjoy this video, please click the like button. Additionally, remember to follow this channel so you won't miss any upcoming videos.